Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we wrote the code for the functionality to automatically submit the test on the time and in our Angular application. And in today's video, we will create an API call for the admin to get all the test results in our Spring Boot application. So let's get started. So in our Spring Boot application, first of all we need to create a method in the service, and to do this we will open test service implementation, and in this class we will start writing a new method, and this method will return a list, and this list will be of test result DTO, and we will import it from quizserver.dto package. And after this we will name this method as get all test results, and in the body of this method we will use test result repository to get all the test results, and after this we will convert them to the DTO and return from here. And to do this we will write return statement, and we will use test result repository, and after this we will call a method find all, and then we will apply stream, and after this we will call map method, and in this map method we will call a method getDTO. And as you know, in this getDTO method we are converting the test result entity to the test result DTO. Now let's go back to the service class, and after this we will collect it to the list. And with this our get all test results method is completed in the test service implementation. Now let's copy this, and after this we will open test service, and we will mention this here. And after this we need to create an endpoint to call this method, and to do this we will open test controller, and in this controller we will start writing a new method, and this method will return response entity, and we will name this method as get all test results. And after this we will copy this try and catch block from the submit test method, and we will paste it here. And after this we need to update the service method call, so we will remove this submit test, and we will call a method get all test results. And after this we will annotate this method with @get mapping annotation, and for the URL we will give this as slash test result. And with this our get all test results API is completed. Now let's run our application. And as you can see, our application is up on port 8080 without any errors. Now let's go to the Postman to test this get all test results API. And in the Postman, for the request type we will give this as get, and after this we need to give the basic URL, which is http localhost 8080, and after this we need to give the controller URL, which is /API/test, and after this we need to give the method URL, which is /test result. And then to call the API we will click on this send button, and as you can see we got the response with the status of 200 OK, and in this response we got a list of the test result DTOs, and for each test results we are getting the ID, total number of questions, correct answers, percentage, and after this we are getting test name and the username as well. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will create a new component for the test results in our Angular application for the admin, and after this we will call this API from that component.